Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Jabbar. This is a very special name that shows how Allah takes care of us and makes everything better. Al-Jabbar means that Allah is the one who fixes everything and makes things better. When something is broken or not right, Allah has the power to fix it and make it perfect again. Look at this beautiful flower. Sometimes when a flower is dry and drooping, Allah sends rain and warm sunlight. The flower becomes healthy and beautiful again. This is Allah being Al-Jabbar. When we feel sad, Allah is Al-Jabbar by sending us comfort through our parents' hugs and our friends' kind words. He fixes our sadness and makes us happy again. After the cold winter when trees have no leaves, Allah shows us He is Al-Jabbar by bringing spring. The trees grow new leaves, flowers bloom, and everything becomes beautiful again. Whenever you feel worried or sad, remember that Allah is Al-Jabbar. You can make dua to Allah, knowing He has the power to fix anything and make it better. Allah loves us so much and is always taking care of us as Al-Jabbar. He can fix anything and make everything better. SubhanAllah, what a beautiful name.